folks, it's Nessa here in Infinitely Zero's channel. I come to show you real quick my Mary Maxim Crochet Club of the Month kit. With them, it's a monthly subscription crochet kit. It comes monthly, and this month it was really nice. It actually showed up earlier this week or last week. I just haven't had a chance to do the video, so it wasn't exactly on the last day of December that it arrived. And I like it. It's very nice. So that's the pattern. It's the diamond lace shawl. Sorry that all the words are backwards. Supposed to be 74 inches by 21 inches. And this is for December 2024. That's what all those numbers mean there on the top. And it's using 2 cakes of the yarn of the Caron Colorama Halo yarn. And I'll show those to you in a second. So the Mary Maxim Crochet Club of the Month kit, what I'm paying for it, it's $19 a month and then a $5 shipping and handling fee within the US. So it comes out to a total of around $24 if you're in the US. I believe the first month comes out to half price of that on their website. That's like $9 or $10. But you can check with them. And yeah, so this is what it looks like without the glare. The pattern is included in there. It comes in that plastic clear zippered bag, which is great to store the project in. It shows you how to work the picot, and then it gives you a close-up kind of the lace of the, shawl. And it comes with the 2 cakes of the Caron Colorama Halo yarn. I love this colorway. It's really, really pretty. Definitely up my alley. It's the colorway is called Sea and Sky, and it's also like, like it already came in its own plastic too, so it was in double plastic. It's kind of like a bluish purple in the middle, so it's a blue in the middle with then it phases into a light bluish green, and then it goes into like a darker green color on the edge. And both of the cakes start the same way color-wise, so it's categorized as a bulky number 5 weight yarn. It's 71% acrylic, 18% nylon, 11% polyester. It's actually very nice and soft. It's each cake is 8 ounces or 227 grams, which comes with 481 yards or 440 meters. And they recommend a size US 10 knitting needles, which are 6mm, or a US J10 6mm crochet hook. And they say that it's machine washable and dryable. And again, the colorway is called Sea and Sky. And that's the blurb that I just read you. I know, I'm sorry, everything's backwards. I'll see if I can flip the video or not, but if not, the info's on the Yarnspiration site for the yarn too. And the front of the label, sorry, let me show you. The front of the label's like that of the yarn. That's with it outside of the plastic. It does have like a haze, like some people call that halo, kind of a little bit of furry fuzz there. They also have a pattern that you can get on Yarnspiration, which is crochet pattern. It's also on the label. It's this one. So that's another option if you don't like the pattern that they included there. So that's a free pattern that you can find on Yarnspiration site or on the label band of the yarn. It takes also 2 balls, and it's called Fading Shells crochet shawl. So it looks very pretty. Apparently it's with a different colorway, one that's the pink and green. So actually, I have that one because I got those in the mystery bag of Mary Maxim. I think it was like a pink and blue, now that I think about it. So I may try to make this pattern with that other yarn that I have. Or even make this one. I'll have to read the pattern and see which one I like more. And And this one I might keep to do something else with, because I have some of this, I think, bluish or green. So I can combine that or make another project with it. I don't know. I'm still undecided, but I think it looks really pretty how they join both together. So that's everything. I just definitely wanted to show this to you guys before December was over, before the end of the month. So thank you so much for watching. That's everything I have for this video. Thank you so much for my return subscribers for coming back and watching, and welcome for the new ones to the channel. And what else? Yeah, and if you like the channel, please click like and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Memberships are what cost money if you sign up for memberships on a channel. So anyways, that's all for now. Thanks so much. Bye. And happy holidays.